Welcome back, guys. After we've done all this, we've generated links to different courses, free courses you could learn from. So we could go ahead to start freelancing. So I'll give you a prompt for that. So right now I want to paste it right here. So the prompt says I want to start freelancing to increase my income based on my experience in now our experience starts from web design, right? Web design with WordPress. I will input that, and every other thing you've learned, you input it. Can you suggest three profitable freelancing niches I could target? For each niche, provide specific services I can offer, platforms to find clients, and a consistent income. That's what it will be, and a consistent income. So I'm going to prompt this. Since from our high paying skill I have web development skill, but I'll just leave it at web design first. We have technical SEO and website performance optimization. Yes, and we have no code web app development. So let's just leave it at that for now, and let me search through. So I'm going to send that prompt right away. So I'm going to wait for it to bring an output. So let's see how this goes. So right now we have the output. It says starting freelancing is a great way to increase your income, especially with your experience in WordPress web design. Here are three profitable freelancing niche that align with your skills and learning roadmap. So one is WordPress website optimization, speed, security, and SEO. So it says why this niche? Businesses rely on their websites for revenue, and they need them to be fast, secure, and rank well on each engines. So what I want to do now is I want to create a new document, and this time around I'll name this document freelancing. Yes, it's going to be the freelancing document. So let's say freelancing. Yeah, so it's going to be freelancing, and right here we are going to have to paste this. So yes, we are going to have to paste this, and let me paste this right now. So I'm going to paste this three. Yes, I'm going to paste these three ideas for freelancing. So let's paste it right now, and here we have them. So this says why this niche? Businesses rely on their website for revenue, and they need them to be fast, secure, and rank well on search engines. Many WordPress site owners struggle with slow performance, poor SEO, and security issues, making this a high demand niche. Services you can offer are speed optimization. You improve core web vitals, faster loading, better performance. You do a technical SEO audit and fixes, optimize site structure, metadata, schema markup, security admin, prevent hacking and malware infections, regular website maintenance, monthly updates, backups and monitoring, migration and hosting optimization, move sites to better hosting for improved speed. Yeah, those are services you can offer. And where to find clients? You can find clients on Upwork and Fiverr, freelance platforms with demand for optimization services, Facebook and LinkedIn groups. Small business owners need website fixes, code outreach to agencies, web agencies often outsource optimization work, SEO and digital marketing communities. Marketers need optimized websites for better ranks. Yes, step-by-step plan to get your first paying client. So you set up a portfolio website first, showcasing before and after results of optimized sites. Offer a free site audit to business owner. List services on Upwork. Join Facebook and LinkedIn groups. Use code outreach. Deliver excellent results. Create retainer packages. Yeah. So two, we have e-commerce, website design, and optimization, which has WooCommerce and Shopify. Why this niche? The e-commerce industry is growing fast, and online store owners need help with store setup, optimization, and conversion improvements. You can specialize in WooCommerce, WordPress based, while also learning Shopify for more opportunities. Yeah, and services you can offer are custom WooCommerce store design, yes, conversion focus, product page optimization, sales funnel, where to find clients, we have that step by step. And the third one is no code web app development, bubble.io, Webflow, WordPress customization. Many entrepreneurs and startups want MVP, minimum viable products, web apps built without coding using tools like bubble.io, Webflow, and advanced WordPress customization. This is a high ticket service because it saves client development time and money. Services you can offer are custom web apps and dashboards, membership websites, and all that, advanced WordPress customization, SaaS MVP development, landing pages and funnels, automation and integrations, where to find clients, and we have the step by step. So the final recommendation says if you want quick, consistent work, go with WordPress optimization. If you enjoy designing and marketing, go with e-commerce web design. If you want to break into high ticket projects, go with no code web app development. Which niche interests you the most? I can help refine your positioning offer strategy further. So the niche that interests me the most would be the WordPress. So if you want to go with WordPress, so I'll say WordPress optimization. Yes, I'm going to say this interests me. Yes, so this interests me the most. So that will be our prompt engineering for that. So I'll put it and say WordPress optimization impressed me the most, and which one impressed me the most as well. I'll take the second, which is e-commerce web design, to interest me. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come here, I'm going to paste this. So let's have that prompted. So let's see what it brings for us. So we're going to see a refined offer strategy and all that. So we're going to wait for that to get loaded, and that will be our second prompt, just to advance our prompt and enhance the initial one. So great choice. WordPress optimization and e-commerce are both profitable niches with constant demand. Now let's create a roadmap for you to get started and scale your freelancing business. Would you like me to structure 90 days action plan to help you land your first free client and build a steady income? So I'll say yes, 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 yes. So it has to be yes. So let's see what it generates for us. So this is 90-day, which is 3 months freelancing action plan for WordPress optimization and e-commerce web design. So this plan is designed to help you get your first paying clients and build a consistent income in WordPress optimization and e-commerce web design. So phase 1 says foundation and portfolio building. So you start by building your portfolio from day 1 to 30. You build your portfolio, the WordPress optimization service, WooCommerce store setup. So is step 2, you create a portfolio website. Yes, so the step 2 says you create a portfolio website, and step 3 says set up your freelancing profiles. Yes, you set that up. And step 4 says start creating content and networking. Yes, you have to do that. Post about your services, case studies, and client wins. Phase 2, first paying client and testimonials, which is day 31 to 60. Offer a free or discounted service in exchange for testimonials. And step 6, leverage code outreach and job boards. Implement low cost paid ad strategy. Phase 3, scaling and recurring income. Sell website maintenance packages. Yeah. Expand your services to high ticket offers. Yeah. Automate and streamline for growth. Use Notion for project management, and create SOPs, standard operating procedures, for website audits. Outsource low level income results, low level tasks like image compression, blog writing, so you can focus on high value results. You can expect if you follow this plan: set up, build portfolio, and start engagement. Yeah, so the month 2 says get 3 to 5 paying clients. Yes, and 5 optimization in a month and all that. So we have these. And final question: do you want me to help crafting your first Upwork proposal, Fiverr gig description, or code email templates to start reaching clients? Let's get you moving ASAP. So I'll say yes. So we're going to proceed with that. So this can actually help you to do a lot of that. So it says winning Upwork proposal, Fiverr gig description, and code email templates. So we have this right here. So use this to apply for WordPress optimization and e-commerce projects on Upwork. So it says, I saw your job post about, and I would love to help. I specialize in here's how I can help. Past results, and would you like to fill? Yes, Fiverr gig and all that. So we have all these. So let's see what it ends at. Then we're going to proceed and we're going to see. So now next step says set up your Upwork, and would you like me to refine your portfolio website or improve your LinkedIn profile to attract more clients? Yes, so we are going to the LinkedIn part. So we're going to do that as well. So it's going to optimize the LinkedIn profile for us. The home page, first impression matters. It says I help businesses build fast, secure, and high converting websites with WordPress and Shopify. So specializing in speed, optimization, SEO, and e-commerce. You see, get a free website audit, about page, your unique selling point, share who you are, portfolio page, WordPress optimization, services page. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how our LinkedIn would look like. So it has given us a preview of what we should do. So we have different freelancing platforms, and I will just preview some. So the first one is Upwork. This is one of the most popular ones. So I'm going to open Upwork right here. So Upwork is a freelancing platform, and you could do everything we just prompted. You could do it on Upwork. So when you check here, we have 3 skills, right? We have the WordPress website optimization. So let me just search for WordPress website optimization here on Upwork, and let's see people that are offering that same service services. So you could see there are different services right here. So you could see about websites and all that. So we could come down here. It's either you log in or sign up for this, and down here you would see every other thing you want to see. We have different categories right here, as you could see. So we have find talent, find work, and let's see find talents, and let's buy projects. So let's see how that goes right now. So I'm going to search for WordPress website optimization. So let's see that, and let's see people that are offering that same services. As you could see, we have WordPress designer right here, developer, WordPress website, WordPress expert. As you can see, this is 5.0, and this person has worked a lot. This is $95, and you see WordPress designer. So there are a lot of WordPress designer right now. So you could always brand your profile to look exactly like this, and this is Upwork for you. Another freelancing platform is Fiverr. If you're not familiar, look for Fiverr right here, and you click on Fiverr. This is Upwork and this is Fiverr. Fiverr too has the same interface, almost the same interface. You join, you sign in and all that. You could search for what you want, which is website optimization, which is WordPress website optimization, and here you're going to see people that are offering that same project. As you can see right here, we have different freelancers out there on Fiverr. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.